Hey friends, Andrew here, and welcome back to AppIQ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and use easy mode on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So do a swipe up and tap on settings. Then go to display. From here, you want to simply scroll all the way down to where you find easy mode. Tap on that. Now, before you enable easy mode, you need to know what it does. Now, as you can see from the graphics there, it shows you what it looks like, right? And basically from the description, it says use simple home screen layout with bigger on-screen items, longer touch and hold delay to prevent accidental actions, and a high contrast keyboard for better readability. You also want to know that any customization you have made to your home screen will be discarded. Discarded but not lost. It only means that while the easy mode is enabled, then you will not be able to see those customization for your home screen. And I'm going to show you an example. So let me minimize a moment and show you. This is what my home screen look like with my applications and my setup, right? But if I go back to easy mode and turn this on, look what happens now, guys. Everything gets bold and bigger. And if I minimize, you can see my items or my apps are larger and so forth. So you can see how it actually looks, and you can go ahead and you can add things here. Tap on those plus to add apps. If you tap on that, you can allow a few information, you can allow a few things there and so forth. So you can easily go ahead and tap on each and you can add favorites there. So very easy stuff, guys. Now this is very useful stuff. Now, if you find this useful guide, go ahead and try out this easy mode option within the Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. And I think it can also be very useful for elderly people as well. But go ahead and try this out and let me know what you think. Very easy and very simple how to go ahead and use easy mode. Now, I want to show you as well, once you enable easy mode, you can set the touch and hold delay. As you can see here, it's set for 1.5 seconds, but you can tap on it. You can customize it to your liking, right? The high contrast keyboard as well, you have it enabled here as well. You can simple tap on that as well and you will see how it looks like. You have those bright colors and so forth. So you can simple keep this on, or you can simple turn it off as well. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple stuff, guys. How you can easily turn on and use easy mode on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone.